So my name's Chloe Wilkinson and I'm one of the choreographers, and we have come to Cardiff this week, well, for a substantial amount of time actually before, but this week is an intensive where we are in collaboration with the Wales Millennium Centre and Matthew Bourne's New Adventures, and we're creating a curtain raiser, which is a short performance that 15 kids are going to be performing in front of a paying audience. So it's quite a big deal.
And today we've been dancing for Matthew Bourne's Cinderella. I would say the most challenging thing would be learning the steps and making sure you're doing it right, and learning and rehearsing and making sure it's perfect is probably the hardest.
We've done 3 different types of dance, I think. So the first week was kind of just a warm-up to get us to know what we were going to be doing. Then we did break dancing and hip hop and street dance and stuff.
The process has been interesting. Obviously bringing lots of kids together, and the age ranges of 10 to 15, maybe 14, 15. Very different stages in their development and where they're at as children and as young adults. There's some dancers in there, there's some non-dancers in there. Everyone has their strengths and weaknesses, and trying to put together a piece that shows everyone's strengths together, and they're all different strengths. So we've had to put loads of different ideas, bits of dance to highlight the dancers, but bits of acting, and so that's been a challenge, having to go away every evening and really think about what it is that we're going to be doing.
At the start, I thought it was all a bit too fast, and I thought I was going to find it really difficult. But as we've come along, especially this week intensive, I've kind of found it's really helped me, and that they're more understanding now of our abilities and how fast people pick things up, and the different strengths and weaknesses in the group. So I think it's come together really well, and it's got really good.
I didn't have much experience with dance. The only dance I did do was with the Cardiff Bay platform, and dancing in the groups and stuff. So it's kind of helped for this project. Working with dancers in Matthew Bourne's company is it's quite professional, and you have to do up to high standards, and you can't just mess about. You have to work really hard on what you're doing, and you have to be really focused.
I think it's really important to see how we work as a company, because how we're treating them is how we are expected to work in the company. And I think it's going to improve. Maybe they're not feeling that right now, but I feel like it's going to improve their confidence, knowing that they've started from this little seed where some of them couldn't even do some of the swing steps that we taught them, to where they are now, where they're going to have run a whole piece, it's phenomenal. On Friday it's going to be amazing for them. It's hard work at the moment. We're having to keep going over and over and over it. But I think when they see what they have produced, they'll be really proud. So that's why, we're going in there and treating them like professionals.
Hardest, most challenging part has been the soldier bit. Everyone's in line, and Johnny walks across, and we all go like that. And then after that, we do this sort of swing step, which is quite hard.
I haven't done many things like this before, so I'm looking forward to doing something where it can boost my confidence of doing some dancing.
It's really, really good. It's an amazing opportunity to do, and the experience has been so good so far.
Friday, technical run, technical on stage. Seeing them, I know what they're going to be like. I know the energy, how it's going to be. They're going to be very excited. They're going to be, and you have to contain their excitement through the day. And then they've got that one opportunity to blast it on stage, which I hope and I think they will. And that's going to be an amazing moment, and that'll be the best bit.